Baker, and this is Moto Nexus. Today we've got a special event, at least special for me. The 1972 Honda CL450 that we've been working on in several videos is now complete. Has a brand new electronic ignition. Carbs have been cleaned, repaired, and rebuilt. And some upgrades on the fuel systems, brand new Dyna coils. This bike has been made now recommissioned roadworthy. And so the next step is, will it run? So got a screwdriver on hand to make sure that I can adjust the carbs if necessary. I think we're pretty close. So let's give it a try and see if we've got a bike that'll fire up today. All right, we have power and we have fuel from above. Ta-da! We have a bike running pretty much on the first try. And actually for a cold bike motor, it sounds pretty good right now. And the idle comes down nice and quick. So there we have it. Our 1972 Honda CL450 is done and running.